Hi there. Recently, many Windows 10 users complained that the error message, "Some settings are managed by your organization," showing on their settings window. Luckily, it is not such a difficult problem to solve. The easy solution to fix this error is to use the bash script I have coded. You can download the bash script from my Google Drive. The download link is at the description section of this video. Execute the bash script. Type Y to reboot your system. Let's open Settings app. As you can see, the "Some settings are managed by your organization" error message is no longer showing at the Settings app. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.